Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So if you are facing issue with the speaker on Windows 11 and you are getting this kind of error, no audio device is installed. So in this video, let's fix it. So first, your first step will be open control panel and check the sound settings. So first click on the Windows icon, click on the search box and type control. You will get this result control panel. Click on it. Now in the view by section, drag down and select small icons. After that, click on this sound option. Here you can see this is the sound option we need. Click on it and this will open this kind of small window. So this is my speaker, my headphone, and currently it is disabled. So you have to enable this. Right click on it and then click on enable. So this is your first step, enable your headphone or your speaker. After that, right click on it, then click on properties. Now first click on this enhancement tab and select restore default. Click on apply. Do the same thing with the advanced tab, restore default. Click on the last tab, click on restore default. Click on OK, click on OK. That's it. Move on to the next method. To fix this, right click on the speaker icon, then click on this option open volume mixture. Now you will see this option output devices. So if you have multiple options, select the different option and check. Okay, and after that reset your sound device. So click on reset. Okay, cut this window and restart your systems. This will fix the error. Move on to the final method, update your audio driver. So right click on Windows icon, click on device manager. After that, click on this sound option, sound video game controller. Expand this option. So this is the audio driver I have. Right click on your audio driver, click on update driver, search automatically. Click on close. So update your driver, your audio driver. So these are the methods you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.